Hi everybody, it's Suzanne the Crazy Blonde. I'm back with another styling video today, and I'm going to show you how to style neutrals for spring. I have 5 outfits here and the one that I'm wearing. And so I'm just going to go through and I'm going to talk about each one, and then I'm going to show you what the outfit looks on and kind of talk about the reasons that I put these outfits together. So this first one is just a really simple white blouse. I love this because it's a little longer in the back than it is in the front. You can do the front tuck if you want to in the front, but it really doesn't need it. It has this great little mandarin collar. This blouse is very reasonable. It is the universal thread from Target, and I just love the way this fabric feels. It's really crisp, and I think that I'll wear this all summer long with, even throw it on over a bathing suit, pair of shorts, whatever. This is a great shirt. And I styled it with these high-waisted, wide-leg, cropped jeans from McGuire. I love the light wash, especially love light wash in the summertime, and I think this is going to be just a fun outfit. I added this really great embellished bag, and this is kind of a simple outfit, so the accessory is really the pocketbook, and I wear this crossbody, so I think that it adds just a big bang to the outfit, but it's still a very neutral look. Then I added to that my white booties from Zara. I have worn these boots nearly out, and I haven't had them for about a month. So this is a great outfit, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on. Okay, this second outfit is, I don't know, maybe my favorite of all of them. This sweater is from Vichy. It is so cozy and warm, really great for when there's still a chill in the air. And I styled it with some jeans that I've had for a really long time. They're pretty high-waisted. They are frayed at the hem and a little distressed. They button in the front, and that's a great detail for these. And they are also a little cropped. And they kind of have, it's hard to see, but they kind of look like painter's pants. They have some spotting on them, so just a little more interest for those. I styled it with this outfit with a Kate Spade bag that I've just had for a very long time. But this bag is great because it's just a neutral color. It goes with everything, and I loved how this looked together. It was just a really calm, that might be a funny way to describe an outfit, but just kind of a chill outfit. So I added these snakeskin shoes. They are Steve Madden. I love these shoes. This makes it a little bit dressier, so I would wear these, or if I wanted to dress it down just a little bit, these fry booties. And also, these add a little bit more warmth, so if the day's a little cooler, I think these are perfect. So again, I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like on. I just added a simple bracelet, and then a little bit more of a statement earring for this outfit. And up next, I have a pair of the paper bag waist pants. These are a huge trend. You're seeing them everywhere, and mine are actually a couple of years old. I got them for fall from Ann Taylor maybe 2 years ago, and I've really enjoyed these pants. And I'm just adding a simple white t-shirt from Loft, a cropped denim jacket. It's a cabbie jacket, but I can link similar. Also, a tortoiseshell bag, and this is from Anthropologie. I got this back in the summer, and I'm just going to add kind of a statement cuff to this, and I think this is really fun outfit. Along with that, pairing it with a pair of mules with this fabulous heel from Zara. They're a great price, and some statement earrings. So this is the third outfit, and it's neutral but maybe a little darker than the other two. I think you're going to like this one a lot. This outfit just kind of fell together. These pants obviously are new. I needed an update on my white jeans. I've been wearing the same several pairs for a couple of years now, and they were just starting to look a little ratty. These are a wide leg. Well, they're not really a wide leg, they're a flare. So they're a little more fitted through the thigh. They flare at the bottom, and they are not incredibly long, but I think they're a good length for me. This is a really sweet little blouse that I got from Anthropologie. It's a cream color and the jeans are white, but I like the combination, and I just did a little half tuck on this. This bag is by Rebecca Minkoff. I've had it for several years, and I like the contrast with the sweetness of the blouse and the fringe on the bag. I'm adding a cuff again to this outfit, and the shoe is a pair of platform wedge sandals that are Tory Burch that I've had for several years, and I got these for fall, but I think they're fine for this time of the year. So that's going to be the next outfit. The outfit that I have on, I actually wore in a previous video. I wore this in my favorite beauty products video. This sweater is from Anthropologie, and I'm just in love with it. It's so warm and cozy. I have it on with just a short sleeve tee, a little thin belt, white jeans, my Mark Fisher booties, and a little necklace. And completely neutral here, but I think the polka dots make this outfit fun. And I would carry this bag. This is a bag from Todd's, and I love this bag because it has different color stitching, and even though it doesn't really show, it's just a fun bag, and it really goes with everything in spite of the stitching. So this would be the outfit if I were going out. And this last one is a really fun outfit. I have gotten so much wear out of these wide leg cream color pants. I wear them so many times because I just get cold in a dress, and I think this is a good dressy option for going out to dinner or just anywhere where you want to feel a little more dressed up. The problem is that I am high-waisted, so I cannot tuck anything into these because it just looks so silly on me. So I have this white sweater, again from Zara. This sweater is great with these pants because it doesn't come down too far, and it's just such a pretty outfit. So I added an old snakeskin bag. This is from Ann Taylor. I've had it for several years. I thought it was nice with this outfit. And because I'm short and the pants are long, these Miu Miu boots are the shoe that I chose to go with these pants. I looked at several other pairs of shoes, and this pair just seemed to look the best. So that is the last of the neutral outfits. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment in the box below. Let me know what you think of it, if you'd like to see anything in particular. Again, if you want to shop any of these pieces that I can link, I'll link exact pieces. If not, I'll link similar pieces. You can just click see more in the description box and all the links will show up right there. I would love if you would follow me on my blog, Crazy Blonde Life, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video and ring the bell so you will get notifications for other videos that I do. Thanks so much for watching.